Ignoring a distorted puddle light on your Toyota CHR is a guaranteed way to destroy your vehicle's premium look and resale value, because of a hidden failure inside the outer mirror lamp assembly. While a blurry logo might seem like a minor annoyance, it is actually the result of environmental damage that can eventually lead to a completely non-functional entry light. I am going to reveal exactly what is physically melting inside your side mirrors, why a simple cleaning will never fix the problem, and the specific repair cost you can avoid if you act before a fast-approaching deadline. We will look at how a tiny piece of film is causing a massive headache for thousands of owners and the specific secret warranty Toyota has put in place to handle it. This issue specifically affects the 2018 and 2019 Toyota CHR. More specifically, it impacts vehicles produced between late September 2016 and late September 2018. If your CHR falls into this range, you own one of the primary targets for a component failure that turns your welcome light into a distorted mess on the pavement. The symptoms are hard to miss, but often misunderstood. When you unlock your car at night, the puddle lights on the underside of your mirrors are supposed to project a crisp, sharp CHR logo onto the ground. Owners first notice the edges of the logo becoming soft or fuzzy. Eventually, the text becomes unreadable, appearing as a blotchy, smeared shape, or a dim, unrecognizable orange or white blob. A common false assumption many drivers make is that the lens is just dirty. You might find yourself reaching under the mirror with a microfiber cloth or some glass cleaner, thinking some road salt or grime is blocking the projection. Unfortunately, no amount of external cleaning will help because the failure is happening deep inside the sealed lamp unit. The mechanical root cause is a breakdown of the internal projector film. Inside that mirror housing, there is a tiny, high-detail film that the LED shines through to create the logo. Toyota's investigation found that these original assemblies weren't sealed well enough against the elements. A combination of outside heat and trapped moisture seeps into the housing, creating a greenhouse effect that physically degrades and warps the film. This creates a mechanical chain reaction. Once the moisture enters the lamp assembly, it cannot easily escape. As the LED operates, it generates its own heat, which, when combined with high ambient temperatures, causes the delicate film to bubble or flake. As the film loses its integrity, the image it projects becomes increasingly distorted until the logo is gone entirely. In the real world, owners on forums and Reddit have expressed significant frustration, with many reporting that the distortion happened on one side first, making the car look lopsided and cheap at night. Some owners even reported being told by service advisors early on that the fading was normal, only to find out later that it was a recognized manufacturing defect. Because this is a cosmetic lighting issue, you aren't going to see any diagnostic trouble codes or check engine lights on your dashboard. There are no P codes or electronic failures that a standard OBD-II scanner will pick up. The diagnosis is purely visual if the projection isn't a sharp, clear CHR. The internal film has failed. The repair involves replacing the entire outer mirror lamp assembly. You cannot simply swap the film. The whole light unit must be replaced with a redesigned part. Toyota's engineers updated the assembly with better sealing and materials that are more resistant to the heat and moisture cycle that destroyed the original versions. The good news is that Toyota has acknowledged this through Customer Support Program ZKH. This is essentially an extended coverage program specifically for this puddle light issue. This coverage is unique because it is available regardless of how many miles are on your odometer, which is a rare move for a non-safety related component. However, there is a catch. This coverage is not permanent. You must have the repair performed before July 6, 2025. If you wait until after that date, or if your vehicle falls outside the specific production dates, you will be facing the full repair bill yourself. If you have to pay out of pocket, the parts generally cost around $130 to $160 per side. For an independent shop, you can expect a total estimate of roughly $225 to $260 per mirror, including labor at a standard $95 per hour rate. At a dealership, where labor is closer to $145 per hour, the total for one side can easily climb to $280 or $310. If both mirrors are failing, you're looking at a $600 repair for a couple of small lights. Before you spend a dime, check your VIN and your production date. If you see that blurry logo, call your local dealer and mention campaign code ZKH. Getting this handled now ensures your CHR keeps its signature look, without the logo melt costing you hundreds of dollars down the road. Have you noticed your puddle lights starting to look a little blurry or faded lately? Let us know in the comments if you've had luck getting the ZKH replacement done at your dealership, and make sure to like and subscribe for more ways to save on your vehicle repairs.